Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to view only unread emails in Gmail. If your inbox ever feels overwhelming or cluttered, this simple trick will save you a lot of time. By the end of this video, you'll know 2 effective methods to filter and manage your unread emails quickly, so you never miss an important message. Again, let's get started. First, open your Gmail account in your browser and make sure you're signed in. Once you're on the inbox screen, you'll see the search bar at the very top. This is where the first method comes in. Click inside the search bar and type =unread, all lowercase with no spaces. Then press enter on your keyboard. Instantly, Gmail will filter your inbox and show you only the unread messages. It's quick, it's simple, and it gives you a clean view of the emails that still need your attention. This method is especially useful if you just want a one-time look at unread messages without changing your inbox layout. Now, let's look at the second method, which is more permanent. If you often check Gmail on your desktop and want unread emails always visible at the top, you'll love this option. Go to the top right corner of Gmail and click on the gear icon for Settings. From the drop-down, click See All Settings. This will take you to the full Gmail settings page. Next, head over to the Inbox tab. Here, you'll find an option called Inbox Type. Click on the drop-down menu and select Unread first. What this does is automatically create a dedicated section at the top of your inbox showing only unread emails. All your read emails will still be there, but they'll appear below the unread section. Don't forget to scroll down and hit Save Changes. That's an important step because without saving, your settings won't stick. Once saved, every time you open Gmail, your unread messages will appear right at the top, making it so much easier to stay on top of things. And that's it. You now know 2 different ways to view unread emails in Gmail, either by using the quick search trick or by setting up your inbox to prioritize unread messages automatically. Both are simple but powerful methods to manage your inbox more effectively. Thank you so much for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with someone who might need it, and of course, subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides just like this.